Hello, today we'll be going over VMware Skyline on Cloud Services Platform. You want to go to the Get Started link shown here. From here, you would choose to create a new organization or add to an existing organization. So you want to log in. If you have an existing organization, you want to add Skyline to. You want to make sure you're a owner of that organization. Once you log in, you have the choice of using the existing organization or creating a new one. Here we'll create a new one. We'll set up an organization name. And the address and select the terms and hit continue. This will create a new organization in CSP. And this will bring you right into the collector service. You want to associate your support entitlement to this organization you just created. You want to then download the Skyline Collector. This link will bring you into My VMware. And from the CSP collector service, you want to proceed to the registration page. And you want to create a token. This token is used for the registration of the collector into the cloud services platform. And you want to copy that token to your clipboard. Log into the Skyline collector you just installed. You want to test connectivity. Accept the CEIP agreement. And paste in that registration token from your clipboard. And register your collector. You want to define a unique collector name. And configure auto upgrade. And this is where you would enter in your vCenter configuration. So if we refresh this page, we'll see the token is gone. And we'll see the collector under Migrate Collectors section. Now, if we want to, we can access the Skyline Advisor. It takes about 48 hours for the data to go in there after the initial setup. So let's go into CSP. We going into view our organization. If we want to edit the display name, we can edit it here and change the name. This will be reflected in the Skyline Advisor page. We also want to set this organization as the default organization. So when we log in, we see this organization. We want to go to Identity and Access Management to add any additional users to your organization. Define the role. In this case, it will be an owner as well, and the advisor and collector service, and choose Add. Now we can go into pending invitations and see that user we just added. The user will get an email for registration for CSP. And they'll have to click on the Join VMware Cloud Services link. From here, to create a Cloud Services account, they'll have to enter in the address and accept the licensing terms and choose to sign up. This will send an email to complete the registration by setting a password. And I'll get another email and I choose to set the password link. And from here, create a password. After setting the password, they'll get another email. The registration is complete, and I'll be able to sign into the console. So we've gone over creating an organization, renaming an organization, adding users to an organization, and registering a collector to that organization. Thank you and have a great day.